Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup vegetarian. First, select a high-quality vegetable broth or make your own from scratch using aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. This foundational step is crucial for a rich, savory flavor. Next, gather a colorful assortment of fresh vegetables, ensuring a good mix of textures and nutrients. Think about adding hearty root vegetables and leafy greens for a well-rounded dish. To build incredible flavor, begin by sautéing aromatics such as 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger in a tablespoon of olive oil. This creates a fragrant base. Then, introduce your chosen herbs and spices, like a teaspoon of dried thyme or a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, allowing them to bloom in the warm oil. For an even deeper taste, consider roasting heartier vegetables like butternut squash or sweet potatoes before adding them. For a truly satisfying vegetarian soup, incorporate plant-based proteins and diverse textures. Cooked legumes such as 1 cup of lentils, a 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or cannellini beans are excellent choices for protein. Grains like a half cup of quinoa or barley will add a delightful chewiness and make the soup more filling. Remember to stir in delicate greens, like 2 cups of fresh spinach or kale, during the final 5 minutes of cooking. Before serving, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings. A pinch of salt, a grind of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice can brighten all the flavors. For a beautiful presentation and extra taste, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, a drizzle of high-quality olive oil, or a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds. Serve your delicious, homemade vegetarian soup piping hot, perhaps alongside a slice of warm, crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.